How's it going, everyone? Mike here. I'm gonna jump right into this. We have a winner. The winner for the Merchant Former Pro, 1 month free. This is the $60 value. Merchant Former was basically doing a promotion through this channel, and I'm sure others, where they were offering the month for free as a way to promote their new features. They've introduced some new tools for international platforms, and I did a whole video on that. So anyways, I ran a contest, and we have a winner. I'm going to show you two different ways of basically looking at the same information, and the winner here is, as you can see here, Lux or Lux. And basically I just ask everybody to drop a joke in the comments, and the one with the most likes would be the winner. And that was the one. So the joke is, do you want to hear a construction joke? Sorry, I'm working on it. Very funny. To be fair, I've gone down the list and liked every single comment so that there wouldn't be any, inequality. The second runner-up was Badia with 9 likes. The joke was, singing in the shower is full until you get soap in your mouth. Then it's a soap opera. Very funny. I was actually surprised that nobody went with the longer joke. All these are one-liners, but again, there was definitely some activity. The other way that I can show you guys is not that, but this here, this is the same information. Again, I just wanted to show you that it is the same in 2 different places. I've sorted the comments by new, which means that these 2 were the actually first ones left, and again, it's the same information as you can see here: 11 likes, 9 likes, and then we get into 2 and 1 and so on. So basically, Lux, if you want to send me an email, that way I can just respond to your email with the code for Merchant Former, and all you have to do is use that code and you'll get your month off. And that's it. Thank you guys for actually participating. This was fun for me. This is the first giveaway that I've done through my channel, and like I said in one of the videos, the good thing about this channel is that I don't get crazy number of comments. So your chances in this case were 1 in 11. So I mean, awesome. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully I get contacted by other organizations to do more giveaways, but for now, this was the joke that did it. 11 likes. Thanks, guys.